Hello and welcome back, module 4.2. And now I'm going to talk about Photoshop and what it can do in order for us to provide a better resolution, a better facility to post our images on the web. I'll go back a little bit, step back, and I'm going to say that Creative Cloud USF provide you for free. And so what you need to do is ask for special requests. It will take you to email. I already applied, requested this account for you. So you will say that you are registered for this class and you are eligible to receive the Creative Cloud. They will come back to you and you'll be able to install Adobe Cloud. Adobe Cloud has a lot of application that is concerned with design. Yes, it is a great opportunity to learn, but in this class we are going to look at Photoshop. Photoshop is probably one of the most famous application, and I know that I don't look old, or maybe I do look old, but in the days that I used to work in web technology, which was in 2000, Photoshop was the standard application to generate the visualization, and this is quite a standard application for the web. Why is it so great? I will show you in a second. But beforehand, USF provides us a lot of materials with regard to it, and it gives us the foundation of Photoshop, how to color the background to a portrait, how to vector a mask. I'm not going to go over that because probably it will take the entire semester. Usually there's classes dedicate to that idea. But what I will do is, one of the things that I will try to show you is the idea of getting started and to idea of doing that. And then this is a great video that will show you how to apply, how to open images into Photoshop and how to apply it. In my example, I created this application, or this visualization, data visualization. My area is basically known as Open Source R. This is a bit more complex, but this is not the issue. The issue is that if I want to publish it on the web, the R does not give me the facility to do that correctly. So there is the issue of open the image into Photoshop and now try to make the image more transparent to the option of web. So the first thing that we need to remember that there is an option to export to the web, and he will give us the entire set and give us the pixels, and he give us the idea of high quality, low quality, or GIF. My recommendation is not use the GIF because it has a low resolution. But this is not the issue. The issue is that one of the things that is really important is the size of the images. Do not try to downscale the image with the HTML, but try to do that first with your Photoshop or any image editor that you are using. Why? Because it will give you more precise and more accurate representation of the images that you are using. So, for example, in this case, the width is 3972, which is quite large. So I will scale it back to 600 and it will do it automatically for me and be able to scale it with a resolution of 300, which is considered quite good. Not the best, but quite good. The low resolution of 72 is really, if you have a good desktop or a good computer with a good screen, probably a resolution of 72 will not be a good thing. We will learn to use the resolution of 72 when we are creating icons for it, but right now let's keep up with a high resolution. You will say yes. You see, as a result, he will downsize it, and as a result I'll be able to export it to the web. And again, my recommendation, use JPEG, because this is the most scalable, more accurate reading with a high quality. I highly recommend it. Or you can use PNG, and again use PNG 24, which has a little bit more high resolution to it. So this is my 2 cents with regard to Photoshop and idea of Photoshop, to use it. We will learn more about that when we are going to create icons for your website. For example, icon that already that will be more incorporate into your design. So I will go over that and I will show you how to do that. But for the time being, I want you to watch this video. I cannot share it with you because it is the production of Adobe, and so you will need to log on to Adobe Photoshop to learn about the fundamental and how to work with it and how to apply. They are well designed videos, and compared to my videos, it is well professional edited. I don't edit my videos, so I do apologize, but this is something that you be able to enjoy and be able to learn about Photoshop and its ability. So I leave it up to you to watch those videos, and I hope you enjoy it. So this is it for module number 4. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, have fun.